How to change your WhatsApp phone number. Hi guys, in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide how you can easily change your phone number on WhatsApp. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to change your WhatsApp phone number, first of all you have to open your WhatsApp, and here you have to click on three dots on top right corner and click on settings, and here you will see different options. You have to click on accounts, and here on the fifth number you can see change number. Click on it and click on next, and here you have to enter your old phone number that you are using, and here you have to enter the new number that you want to convert it. So guys, after writing here your two numbers, you have to click on next, and you will get an OTP on your new number, and after pasting your OTP on the WhatsApp, your phone number would be changed successfully. So guys, in this way you can easily change your phone number on WhatsApp. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.